Good morning, guys. Today is the first day of classes for my junior year and I just made myself breakfast. I've got some coffee. Oh wait, this is like one of the cutest mugs I own. Big fan. Last night I actually curled my hair, or I guess I would say I added waves to it, and then I put it up in a bun and slept in it. But this morning I woke up and it's raining, so there was really no point to me doing that because I feel like my hairstyle is just gonna go out the window. But you know, we're gonna attempt to see what it looks like in a hot second. Anyways, the only makeup I'm doing this morning is mascara and brow product because I'm just not in the mood to wear foundation or concealer or anything. I've said this in my last few vlogs. If you watched my college moving or packing vlogs before coming here, but it is just insane to me that I am already halfway through college and about to be starting my junior year. My first class of the day is Marketing 101 for my business minor, but then I have nutritional aspects of health and human microbiology after that. So it'll be a pretty balanced day with my biomed science major and then my business minor. But anyways, I am just gonna go ahead and eat my breakfast and then pick out an outfit and head on my way out. All right, so please ignore the mess behind me, but this is the outfit I chose for the day. Just a fall or orange colored t-shirt with dark gray sweater, jeans, my Supergas, and then I try to put my hair in a ponytail, but as you can see, my attempt to curl my hair last night failed miserably, so this is just going to be going back up in a bun. So I just got back from all of my classes for the day. It's currently 1 p.m. and I'm pretty much just gonna be spending the rest of the afternoon and evening in the sorority house, I think, because the weather is so gloomy outside. I really just don't want to spend any more time out there than I have to. But my classes went really well today. I actually really like all of my professors so far, but it is now lunchtime and I am starving and really just want something warm to fill me up since it's been so gloomy today. So I'm gonna go downstairs to the kitchen and heat up some chicken noodle soup. And then my plan is to come back up here to my room and organize it a little bit, clean up. I didn't make my bed this morning because it just didn't happen. Then I need to order textbooks today and add all of my due dates and test dates for my classes into my planner. So that is just my little update for now, but I'm gonna go make some lunch. It's been a few hours since I last talked to the camera. It's almost 6 p.m. and I definitely spent a few hours on my phone watching YouTube because I got my period this morning and I just wasn't feeling well. But I did end up marking down all of my important exam and due dates in my planner. And this is actually the same planner I used last semester. It's just got this green leafy detail on it, and I just got it at TJ Maxx, so I don't know if I'd be able to link it down below, but it's a yearly planner for the year of 2019, so I'm just using this instead of an academic planner that starts in August. But anyways, now that this is done and it's nearing dinner time, I'm probably gonna go back downstairs to the kitchen and make tacos, I think. Funny story about my lunch. I just had a container of chicken noodle soup in the fridge that I just threw in a pot, reheated, started eating, and it was going fine, it tasted good. But as I was eating it, I like got the feeling that something was off, or like that I was missing something, and it took me at least like 10 minutes. Like, I was almost done with the soup until I realized that I never added noodles to it. So essentially I just ended up eating chicken broth with chicken and carrots for lunch. So a little bit of a fail on my end with that, but hopefully dinner goes without problems. Even though I live in my sorority house, we actually don't have a chef, and we all cook for ourselves, and we have like kitchenettes on every floor. So I live on the 4th floor, which is the top floor of the house, and we have like fridges and counter space up here, but the only stove tops are on the 1st floor in like the big kitchen. So I generally just like bring a whole like bag of all my food items with me when I go downstairs to cook, because it just like keeps my hands from being full every time. But going up and down the stairs to cook is definitely something that I'm gonna have to get used to. Essentially, I just ended up making ground turkey tacos with like bell pepper, onion, lettuce, but I brought it up to the 4th floor because Liv and I are trying, to make the TV work, because tonight is supposed to be Bachelor in Paradise night, but we don't think it's gonna end up working. So that is very upsetting, but we will live. Well, I just got out of the shower and I just washed my hair because it was feeling gross, and I just wanted to have like a moment under the hot water just to like refresh. Although today was like an overall good day, I'm just like in general feeling very stressed about getting everything back together in my life. If you guys were keeping up with my vlogs over the summer, then you know that I've had a bit of a crazy last few months with traveling and moving, and I am just so excited to get back into a routine of like going to classes and being on campus. But in order to like get myself into that routine, I have some work to do. So I've just been kind of stressed out about making sure that I'm all set to go for all of my classes, and I'm staying on top of YouTube stuff and work and sorority. But I have faith that everything will work out. Hopefully I'm able to take advantage of syllabus week and just get my life back together, because it kind of has been feeling like it's been falling apart recently, and nobody wants that. But that is going to be it for this college day in my life, my first day of classes of junior year. I feel like I definitely did a lot today, so hopefully this vlog was interesting, and I'll be doing more college day or week in my life vlogs in the near future, so make sure you are subscribed to my channel and turn on those post notifications so you know when I am putting out new videos. But that's gonna be everything, so thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!